at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking delicious.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna make some natural herbal tea. Yes, because you know in the UK it is very cold. And you know say it's cold season, okay? So you have to make these things and put it in your fridge. And plus my husband have a bit of cold, so that's the reason why I'm gonna make it also. So guys, in my bowl right here I've got at least 14 lemon, okay? And I also have some ginger. You need a whole heap of ginger. So these are the amount of ginger because I want the tea to be super strong. I also have 2 orange and 1 grapefruit and some garlic, because you know garlic fight any infection. So I have some garlic here. These are the amount. So I'm just gonna wash it all. So guys, now that I wash all of my lemon and my orange, my ginger, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna need a sharp knife, and I'm just gonna cut it like so. Yeah. And now that I cut my lemon, I'm just gonna add it to my bowl right here. So now my orange, you wanna cut it just as though you cut the lemon.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Now I'm gonna cut my grapefruit. And as I said, I'm gonna add 1 grapefruit, okay?
Cooking. Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
These are all natural, guys, good for your body, fight any flu symptoms.
Straight from the kitchen.
So guys, I want my tea to be really strong, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grate some of my ginger, and I'm gonna also cut it, okay? I'm not gonna remove the peel as long as you wash it good, okay? This is what this look like after I grated it. So I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. So now I'm just gonna cut these ginger, and I'm just gonna cut it like so. I'm gonna put it to my plate. So now I'm gonna peel my garlic. I just remove all the peel from my garlic, and what I did, I also wash it, okay? You want to make sure that you give it a good wash. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press on my garlic. You can use your hand or you can use a spoon, whatever you have, and just press on it, okay? So all that juice will come right through. Gonna add it to my pot. So I firstly add my ginger to my pot. So now I'm gonna add some water from the kettle. So guys, you want to make sure that you add enough water. So as you can see, the water is halfway in my pot. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my garlic, and I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Gonna half cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. So guys, it has come to a boil. So now I'm gonna add my lemon, okay?
You have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share.
I'm gonna add my orange.
Platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jolly cooking. Delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Grapefruit.
Cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
And all my grated ginger, okay? Gonna mix it all in, and guys, I'm gonna leave it for at least 30 minutes, okay? My stove is on a medium heat. Try not to turn up your stove too high. I'm gonna half cover my pot. My tea is all finished, so now I'm gonna remove my lid. So it's been boiling, guys, for just over 30 minutes, okay? Wish you guys could smell it. You could smell this all over in my house, guys. It is so strong. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it. So here I have my bowl right here, and I have a strainer. Just gonna pour it in. Guys, if you want, you can drink it just like so, but me, I'm just gonna add some honey to it. Okay, yes, just gonna add just a bit. You can just add any amount, but try not to add too much. Okay, so I add at least just over 3 to 4 tablespoons of my honey. You want to stir it so everything will all combine. I'm loving the color.
Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipe. Hit the thumbs up and
I have some mason jar, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my lemon slices in there, and I'm gonna pour it all in. You can just drink it right like this, guys. So now I'm gonna pour it all in. It is ready to drink, guys. Ready to drink. Drink it when it's hot. What you can do, you can keep it in your fridge. Just put it in a bottle and close it up. There you have it, guys. It is all finished, ready to drink. If you have any cold, if your children are sick, you can always make it for them, okay? It is so nice and so tasty with the honey. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to drink some. Especially I have a bit of cold, and I'm gonna drink some right now as I finish this video. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to someone that you think will need it, guys. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you guys.